big, money more big, and it's no
Williams is inside the kitchen now.
In the kitchen.
Yeah.
Today is Sunday. This guy is cooking nice food for
Mama, he's not cooking, he's trading per 100.
How far now?
I'm very good though.
What are you doing in the kitchen on Sunday like this?
Man, I just have to chip on 100. Man needs to make money, especially for this Christmas.
These guys come and see something. This guy is on the chat too.
You taught me that. What do you expect me to do?
On Sunday?
On Sundays now. That's why it's for 100.
Wow.
To trade every day.
Amazing.
During the weekend is very
amazing,
important.
amazing.
Yeah.
But meanwhile, I heard that you have a comprehensive book on Power 100.
Oh yeah, that's true. You know, everything you taught me, I practicalized it and I backtested. I saw this thing work very well, so I decided to just do it in a book format and give it to people.
Amazing.
It's very important.
Amazing. So, peradventure you need the book, you should click on the link below. And I actually reviewed the book, and I can tell you that this is a first-hand information that you're not going to see anywhere on the internet.
But I want you to help me do it for you. I want you to just show them the glimpse.
Okay, no problem. Since I have gone through the book, I'm going to give them a little tips of the iceberg on what they're going to get in the book. So come with me to the office. Let me show them.
I follow you.
Yeah, come.
My godfather has spoken. There's no need again.
manager. Love this song, tomorrow shot. Love me, you easy a cry. Baby, don't you waste my time. I see my pussy. I'm up here, I did forget mommy back,
Okay.
So can you kindly show them how to actually make money on Power?
Alright, before I show you how to make money on Power 100, I want you to understand that Power 100 is also V100 on Deriv for people who are trading Deriv, right? So if you don't want to trade Power 100, you can call it trade Deriv, and whatever I'm going to show you here is applicable or replicable on Deriv. The same strategy, the same risk management, and the same time frame that we use in analysis on Power 100 is applicable to V100. I have actually reviewed the book he wrote, and I can tell you that this book is lit. Don't forget that Power 100 and V100 are the easiest synthetic that will generate you tons of capital to actually start trading the real forex market. And let me show you a glimpse of what you're going to get on the book if you actually will get it. So let's go, guys. On a 5-minute time frame, we can get two entry. We can get entry from the recent high and get entry from the recent low. So what are we going to do on 5-minute time frame? We mark the recent low and we extend it to the future, as I did now. This is what our recent low. We mark it and we extend it toward future like this. That's one. 2, we trace it to our recent high. So it means that after this one has formed, this recent low, it must create a recent high using RSI. Now that it has created a recent high for us. We again mark it. This is the recent high that it created. We mark it and extend it to the future. All these things on 5-minute time frame. And it's only applicable to when the market is trending. Now, why are we getting our recent high? So that most of the times it will come back to retest. For people that still want to go deeper, they will tell you that it's double top, which is M pattern and the rest. Now, 2 things are involved here. It will either come here, and then you will see the next leg that will close above. So it means that it will close above this recent high. Now you always see it on your RSI. Make sure the setting on the RSI is 90 to 20. It will clear the recent one. Now this recent one now has shown to you that it's outside the RSI. If the next one comes now and then it closes above this, it will clearly show you that this one will be higher than the other one. Now when it's higher than the other one, you just pay attention to your candlestick. And what are those? Since we're looking for sell now, these are things that you start paying attention to bearish engulfing. Now, for the fact that you see a bearish engulfing, that doesn't give you an entry yet. Because from where it closes down to the recent high, which is this place now, is very, very far. So you wait to see more confirmation of the sell, at least 2 to 3 candlesticks before you follow the sell. I want to tell you the advantage of trading Power 100 and V100. You know me, I don't only tell you, but I show you proof and evidence, advantage of trading Power 100 and V100. But before I show you my own advantage, I want Williams to tell us, is there any advantage in trading Power 100?
It's more true. I remember when I used to trade Forex, during the weekend I'll have nothing to trade again. I'm not making money. I mean, I love money. And I remember that you used to flick Power 100. I said, okay, I just messaged you, Mr. Shams, I want to really learn how to trade this. Like, sure, you got me. So we started having classes that time back to back. So one of the advantages is that you're making money during the weekend. With small amount of money you have, like $10, $20, you can make something substantial.
Now, the number one advantage that I sit down and really understand how Power 100 and V100 works is, I realize that sometimes I don't have all the capital in the world to actually trade the main Forex market. And then I needed bigger amount of money to actually trade pairs such as GDP USD, gold and US30. Now, in search for what easy way, I would stumble on V100 and Power 100. And that's when I start doing magic, such as taking $10 to $100 within 15 minutes, such as taking $100 to $1,000 within 15 minutes and 1 hour. Of course, you will see the screenshot here, even the video recording, you know. Everything I am telling you here is based on facts, and facts don't lie or facts don't hide anything. So the easiest way for you to actually make something tangible, to transit from trading normal synthetic to trading normal Forex, is through capital. And how are you going to get the capital? By trading Power 100 or V100. How are you going to trade V100 or Power 100? By using the book that we are going to put on this description. You're going to get all the information you need to actually make something tangible out of your life in this market.
And there's one thing.
Okay.
It's very fast.
Yeah.
Exactly.
They always know that I'm a kind of person that lack patience. Right? If I am wrong, I want to know that I am wrong immediately.
Yeah.
If I am right, I want to know that I am right. And when I am right, I always want to be right for long. What it means that if I am making money, I want to make it for long. If I am losing, I want to lose for a short time. So Power 100 is fast. You trade Power 100 at the comfort of your house, whether it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, up until 247. You can see that I was expecting this guy to be cooking for us, but I saw him doing something different in the kitchen. It gives you time. If you are a kind of person who you are tied to 9 to 5, still you can learn Power 100 this time around and trade it by weekend. So guys, I have your best interest at heart. Why? Because I am in your position few months or few years ago, whereby I am battling with capitals. That is why I will burn the midnight candle to come up with this strategy on how to trade V100, which is volatility 100 on Deriv, and Power 100 on Quackle. And I transfer the same knowledge to him, and I am certain that he also loves you. That is why he wrote the book. So if you click the link below, you will get all the information that you're going to need to be a profitable Forex trader who trade on Power 100 and V100.
And just it was due to the information you gave me, first-hand information, raw one. I put it inside the book, guys. You see it.
Diluted. Remember, the comment section is free. Comment what you learned in the book. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notification because there will be subsequent content on Power 100. Peradventure, you may be having some more misunderstanding. You're still going to get clarification here. Thank you and peace out, guys.
Peace out, guys.